Assalamu alaikum, this is Halal Foods Kitchen. Today we're making lamb kabsa. So delicious, and it's only a one pot recipe. But before we start, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can reach to our new videos. In a pot on high heat, I've added oil enough to cook the rice in. I'll add the lamb pieces and I'll fry them all until they are nice and golden. I make sure all the sides are well fried before I add the onions. Here I have a large chopped onion. I'll stew the onions with the lamb. Make sure the onions are well stewed before we add the spices. Spices I'm using: turmeric, black pepper, coriander, mixed spices, paprika, cayenne pepper, bay leaves, cloves, dried lemon, a stick of cinnamon, and some cardamom. I add on all these spices at once and I stew them with the onions and lamb, and you can start smelling the wonderful smell of all these spices. And now I'll add around a tablespoon or two of tomato paste depending on how much rice you're cooking. And I make sure I stew very well. And it's starting to smell really good. And now I'll add around 4 peeled and chopped tomatoes. You can mix the tomatoes in the blender if you want to, and add them as tomato juice. Mix everything very well. And now I'll add some grated carrots, around 1 or 2. It depends on how you like it. And finally I'll add some boiled water. And I'll cover it and leave it on medium-low heat to cook for around an hour. But after half an hour I will add the salt and then leave it to continue cooking for the rest of the hour. And this is our lamb after an hour. I'll fish the lamb pieces so I can cook the rice in this lovely rich stock. Here I have around 3 cups of basmati rice that I've washed and soaked for around 30 minutes. And I'll add the salt, around 3 teaspoons of salt. I'll take out the bay leaves. And I'll leave it to boil, and when the liquids are reduced, then I'll reduce the heat and place the metal underneath the pot. And now you can see the liquids have reduced. I'll place the piece of metal under the pot and reduce the heat, and then I'll cover it and leave it for around 15 minutes. And this is our rice. I'll just give it a quick stir and cover it for another 15 minutes to steam slowly on low heat. I'll place the meat back on the side so it keeps warm, and I'll cover it for another 15 to 20 minutes until it's ready to be served. And this is our lamb kabsa. I've garnished with some toasted almonds and raisins. It really smells so good and it tastes even better. I really hope you give it a try and leave me a comment down below. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can reach to our new videos. And I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Thank you so much for watching.